And then you go another.
Yo, we're on the train now, going to the coast. No, we go to the countryside of Ibiza. Yeah. Here's Alex, he's a bit moody. He's on his Game Boy game. Lauren, Robin's being a bit immature and childish, waving at people.
Showing off.
Showing off.
Being a pain in the bum.
Going. I don't know what John's doing. He's speaking some rubbish. There's Ari with the scary gums. And we're gonna go, and I'll do a video when we're there. Oh, here's the driver. He's gonna tell Franco. Whoa! Wee! So we've just come off a 500-step walk. 3 miles it took, and we're at some museum now. So, and inside the museum we have found the Massacre Cave. How good?
That's there today.
And now to see the founders of the museum.
Here, if the brakes are not working alright, don't worry, no problem. We ride to
Go down the big fat ass hill.
one finger.
Right, well we've hit a bit of a floor. It's starting to rain. So rather than go for the nice countryside and the mountains, we're going back home. Yes. Oh, honey, honey, do 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 do. This is Ibiza, and it's in rain.